Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset OPPO A3x 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone, press the volume up and power key together, and now slide downward to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the power and volume down key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release. Now here select language, and after it you can see it will send you in recovery. Format data, reboot device and power off is available. Go to format data and you can see please enter verification code 6705. Okay, now enter it 6705 and you can see all user data will be reset. Format data, now tap on format and you can see wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations. And you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO A3x 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.